everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I've been kind of hiatus about everything. I'm just kind of burned out on couponing, you guys. Like, I really am burnt out right now. A lot of you guys don't know all the whole behind the scenes, but I think I'm gonna start changing stuff around with my Walgreens videos. Now, a lot of you guys really enjoy me doing the breakdowns for you, and I will continue doing that, but the thing that I dread the most is writing down the breakdowns for you guys. So I'm actually gonna start, and let me know if you guys are kind of into this idea, is I'm gonna get note cards or pieces of paper, and I'm actually just gonna have the breakdowns written down with the product and the coupon. I feel like it's a whole lot better for me to do it, and I'm gonna try it that way. Otherwise I might go back to the same ways, but it's still gonna be a spot where you guys can, you know, screenshot it. I just get super burned out doing the breakdowns for the videos. Like, I'm totally, you know, I understand people need to physically see it and all that stuff, which I totally understand, but I'm just so burnt out on doing the same thing all the time that I kind of want to change it up a little bit. So just be prepared. I might start doing something a little bit differently on certain deals, but that's how everything is going. So Walgreens has a ton of stuff on clearance. They had a lot of like post-it notes. Their school supplies were starting to get on clearance, and now their summer stuff is. Now, if I recall, I know for a fact last year summer hit 90% off on September 11th because I went and saw the Backstreet Boys on that day, and I remember going to go get a ton of summer stuff that they had. Sorry, my daughter's crying upstairs, she got hurt. But I remember September 11th is when everything got marked down at Walgreens. I don't know when it's going to happen this year. If any of you guys know, go ahead and let me know. But I think the stuff was kind of marked down to 50% off. So it is coming up probably in the next 2 weeks or so. We will see. I feel like it's getting set back and set back and set back. So, yes, but speaking of clearance, I ended up getting these Black Forest gummies. It's a 28 pack. I think these were originally like 5 something, but they were marked down to $2.79. I thought I had a coupon attached to this, but I didn't. My app was not working. I did post, sorry you guys have to stare at my cat butt. Paris, will you just sit down? Sit down, nobody wants to stare at a cat butt. But I was trying to use the app while I was in the store. The app was not working. It just kept doing the whole loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop. So I could not get anything to work. So that's one thing that kind of made me mad. But yeah, so $2.79. You might want to check yours out and see if your store has it. Paris, nobody wants to see a cat butt. I know you guys don't want to see this cat butt. There it goes out right there. But I also ended up getting these golden Oreos. Now, for a while there, I was craving these like crazy. These are also marked down to $2.79. There is a 75% off coupon, I think. I didn't have any. I just was kind of the spur of the moment. I didn't have any of those coupons. But if that coupon is still available, you guys can use this. But I didn't have any coupons. So I bought 2 of these. I paid $5.58. for the family size, which is an awesome deal. But then you guys can submit $1 off of 2 rebate with checkout 51. Comes out to be just $4.58. That's $2.29 a piece. I will take it. I don't know how much is in here, but I got 2 of them. I left one of them upstairs, but I love the golden Oreos. And let's get back to those cravings. Okay. So I got a couple of other deals. We got the Bic razors. Now, there are printable coupons that you guys can use. There might have been some in the inserts. I don't know about the inserts, but I know you can go to shopbic.com and print off printable coupons. But my store had these for $6.99. I had a $4 off digital coupon that I used. So you guys would end up paying $2.99 for this. But then you can submit a $3 rebate with checkout 51, and it's for Walgreens only, and you do have to scan the item. But after you apply that, it comes out to be absolutely free. So free razors if you guys need to go ahead and do that. I used to have like a little box to throw my stuff in. So now here's an awesome deal that you guys can do. The Revlon, I know a couple people are posting this on these groups that I'm in, but the Revlon lip balm, these are $4.99. There's a beauty event that I think is starting this week, the end of this week. I'm not sure. I know it's coming up soon, but there's a beauty event where, you know, you get so much points, you get, or spend so much, you get so much points. Well, if you buy one of these, you guys, for $4.99, you're actually getting a $8 off coupon. It just says save $8 off your next purchase of any Revlon. Good for good for $8 or more, but it excludes Kiss Balm, Beauty Tools, or hair color. So if you guys are like eyeing something up that you want to use, definitely go ahead and get these. So lip balm, get this. Now if this doesn't print off, your machine might be down. There's no way of getting it. It's an unadvertised Catalina deal. So either try a different store or go to a different register or something, but you guys can pay $4.99 for this and get an $8 off coupon that you guys can use for that. So just wanted to share with you on that. I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. This was this was $4.99. I did use a $1 off coupon that you guys got from our inserts last week. You would pay $3.99 for this, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them just 99 cents. Now, it's up to you guys if you want to do this deal or not. I just wanted to share with you on that deal, but you know what? Toothpaste, 99 cents, it's an okay deal, but I like I said, I get the employee discount, so I get it a little bit cheaper. So, we got that. And then I also did this Colgate deal. Now this, see, like I said, I could not check any of my digitals. Nothing was popping up on the app at all. But these were $3.99. There's a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $3.98 for the both of these, but then you get 4,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just absolutely free, so you guys can go ahead and get some free toothpaste. I have to say it, I'm kind of, I had it with toothpaste. Like, I've had so much toothpaste that I need to start working on the mouthwash deals, and I need to start working on the toothbrush deals, because I am swimming in toothpaste, okay? So instead of for the Crest deal, I ended up doing this way because it was a better deal than doing the toothpaste deal. So I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now these were $2.99. You guys want to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Now I think I had a 7 off of 4, but I couldn't get it to come up, so I had no idea what it was. But I did know I did clip a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. But you guys would pay $2.98 for both of these. Then you get a $3 register reward, making them free. Now, I did not check the toothpaste, but you can do this deal with the toothpaste. Or I didn't check the mouthwash, but you can do it with the toothpaste or the toothbrushes. So, yeah. And I did also do a digital video. I actually posted it before this video just because I'm kind of slacking on posting videos today. Like I said, I'm just in a rut where I don't want to film right now. I'm not depressed or anything. I'm just in a rut. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I ended up getting, I got another one. I ended up doing 2. You can buy as many of these lip balms as you want. You just got to do them in separate transactions. And you guys can pay with points for that. Okay, so I ended up getting the Schick shaving cream, okay? These were $2.99. I did have another Peelie off coupon for $1. So you guys would end up paying $3.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. You can do this deal as many times as you want. Just remember the coupon is a limit of 2 per transactions if you want to do that. But in my haul from last week, a lot of you guys were asking about this deal. So the Schick Extreme, these are $1.99, but they are currently, for just this week only, buy one get one 50% off. You guys can buy as many as you want. You can mix and match flavors or scents or whatever. But these were, like I said, $1.99, buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $2.98 for the both of these. But then you get 2,000 points. So it comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Great, great deal. If your kids are bored and need some projects to do, get them some shaving cream, you know. Do that. Have them play some games. But yeah, that was my haul, you guys. I wanted to get the Russell Stover candy that was 2 for $1. My store did not have it anywhere in the area. I was going to get the movie theater coupon, but I couldn't get the coupon in the app to pop up. I was going to get suckers, but I wanted blow pops. My store didn't have any. And then I was going to do the Kellogg's cereal, but the cereal that was on sale doesn't qualify for the Ibotta rebates, so I didn't do that. And then I forgot to mention there was the Domino's gift cards. I didn't do the deal. I'm not a big Domino's fan, plus there's not one anywhere near me. Sorry, everybody's running upstairs. But the Domino's are, you buy 2 gift cards, you get a $10 Walgreens gift card. Now, please keep in mind, if it's in your ad, then the deal's good for you. But if it's not in your ad, don't do it. Because it's regional from what I've found out. But you guys would basically buy $30 worth of Domino's pizza gift cards, but then you get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So you get $40 of product for 30 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. But yeah, that was my haul, you guys. It's kind of lame. Nothing really special going on today. This week was just kind of slow. Just kind of a slow week, which is nice. It's nice to take a break from time to time. So my total came to 15 bucks. Even. $15 even, which was my total. I ended up getting $4 back from Checkout 51, and that was for the razors and then the 2 Oreos. I also got 8,000 points back. I got 4,000 points back for the Colgate, and then I did 2 of the Schick deals, so that was 2,000 and 2,000. I did get $6 back in register rewards. I got the $3 for the Crest deal, and then the other $3 for the other Colgate deal. So my total came to a $3 moneymaker. I got everything for free plus a little bit of a profit. I may or may not do a beauty event. I don't know. I just kind of been in a rut lately, and it's like I don't want to make my channel all about couponing. I want to make it about 50% of couponing, so I am kind of burned out on just all this couponing. Plus, it sucks with everything that's going on in the world. A lot of you guys are still not couponing and shopping, and I know it. And it's, you know, I'm trying to work as best as I can, but it's just kind of hard with everything that is going on. So, yes, but enough with the negativity. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you guys next week. I will be more up and at 'em. Next week, I just kind of took a break. My mom was in town. My son just turned 6 years old. So I was just kind of having a busy, nice, relaxing week with my family. So I will see you guys all again next week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up by letting me know you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.